doesn't belong to you. That's my brother's.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's a jungle out there, disorder and confusion everywhere. No one seems to care. Well, I do. Hey, who's in
People think I'm crazy, does they worry all the time? You paid attention, you'd be worried too. Well, you better pay attention, or this world we love so much might just kill you. I could be wrong now, but I don't think so, 'cause it's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out, dun dun. What happened in here? 911? 911, there's been a murder at house 246. Okay. Christy, pass me the examinators. We don't see any clues. I'm gonna go ahead and call Monk over.
So she's dead?
Yes, she's dead.
How she died?
It's a homicide, so we probably think a stabbing, because she has a wound in her lower abdomen. You want to take a look at the scene?
Okay. If it was a real burglar, I wouldn't take all the monsters. What's her name again?
Crystal.
Was she wearing a jacket?
No, she was not wearing a jacket. It's probably from the murder that he left behind.
Smells something. Smells like a greenhouse. My little head.
Let's, okay, we can go over there and investigate.
Yeah. Let's go now.
Alright, the hospital's gonna have to take her dead body.
House.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have
questions.
we have a search warrant of your
For what?
house. We're checking every dream house. There has been a homicide at house 246.
How do I know that house? Her son is a Karen. What do you need?
We just have to search your house for any Godzilla toys. Mr. Monk, you have something to say?
Can I have that paper, please?
Sure, but don't ruin it.
Is your husband interested in Godzilla toys?
Yes, fairly, yes. He tells me to draw them, color them because I'm a really good color. These are others of his drawing. He's been complaining about this gold three-headed dragon for some time, and I'm like, we don't have the money for that. He's like, well, I'm going to get it one way. And I'm like, okay, you do you. And then he went up to the lake to do some fishing because he was like...
At the greenhouse, ma'am.
Yeah, this is also part of a greenhouse. I can show you one
So,
of his latest
ma'am, I just have
inventions.
some small questions. There have been a homicide at 246, and there have been a robbery. The robbery was... Is that your grandmother?
Grandmother?
Just ma'am. So there have been a homicide there, and the robbery was very important. Someone had gotten hurt, and killed.
Oh, I read about that on the news.
Well, he stole a three-headed Godzilla, and it was gold.
These are the plants that he makes in the greenhouse. Supposedly the Godzilla eats him. He's been cuckoo since he read one of the Godzilla books that I bought him. Because I'm
Who is this, ma'am?
Oh, that's my husband. You came back from the lake after all.
Ma'am, we have just some questions. your
Whose
wife is...
jacket is this, Philip? Smells like your greenhouse up north.
I don't remember reading this thing though.
I'll hit you with my stick if you don't answer the question. Where was that found?
In this someone's house.
The
House
girl's
246.
murdered house? Oh,
Yeah.
told you that son is a Karen. Anyhow, I've seen that. They sell it at designer clothing. That girl, she's also a little cuckoo. But they sell that. Where'd you get it from? I know you have it. It smells like your greenhouse. I never
I
dug
bought
up
it
there.
2 weeks ago.
Why'd you buy it? For
Because,
who?
because I went up north. That's why.
But it's purple.
Yeah.
And it's a crop top. You don't wear a crop top.
Okay. Smell like greenhouse.
It smells like greenhouse. What Monk said.
Okay. That's because I made it stay in there.
Yeah. Well, for
Why
what?
does
For
your
your
arm have-
Godzilla dolls. Like,
Wait. Why does
You
your
both?
arm have blood stains? Well,
he's probably
blood
testing some rat blood up there. Crazy.
interesting. Can I smell it? Can I smell it?
him smell your shirt.
Look at your arm. My arm?
What are these? I told you we're not buying any more Legos for your Godzilla world.
Okay.
It's my money.
So, it's my money. I'm not even telling you to buy them.
And
What is this? Let me
You
smell
make me
your
sick.
hand. No, that's because...
hey,
Let me smell your hand.
is this what that animal looked like?
Yep, it does.
What is this creature? Are you drawing some Frencho creepos? So, how much does that cost?
Ma'am.
What does that cost? How much does it cost?
About $100 million.
Oh, really? That guy must have made a fortune.
Actually, I made it, and you broke my flag.
Hey. I'll call him later. See, all of these drawings. Were any of these in the crime scene? There's a lot.
Yes, there was.
So there's this one. He draws a bunch of these and doesn't even get a job. Lazy slack. Is this what it looked like? Another drawing of it?
Yep.
Oh, he's been complaining. That's why he went up there.
Excuse me?
I knew you were trouble.
Listen, I just have to draw. That's what I do.
What you do?
Yeah.
You don't work.
Okay. I
Yeah,
still
we're
make
gonna
money
have
of
a-
it. I still make money.
Mr.
How
Monk.
do you think we survive?
No.
Can I smell your hand?
We're gonna.
Ma'am, put it down. Put the gun down.
It's not a gun.
Is it a fake gun?
No, it's
What
a
is this?
Godzilla
Give me it. Give me it.
You can have it. He made it in his greenhouse.
Mr. Monk, you might want to see this.
This
Sounds hard.
everywhere he goes, all the time, to find some Godzilla caves. There you go.
Okay, wait, ma'am, if you can excuse us. This looks like a dog bone.
We don't have a dog.
Can we
have
search
a
your
dog.
greenhouse?
Let them search your greenhouse. Don't cause me any more problems.
Okay.
Thing. Take them to
It's
your
been
greenhouse.
chewed. Let's go.
Alright.
Take us to your greenhouse.
Ma'am,
We
go
have
away.
the right to search your house.
Oh, my brain is being smoothie. That is the greenhouse. You can search, but I'm warning you. We have a creature up there. Okay.
It's not a creature, it's probably a dog.
Oh, wait, let me get Bantu.
This is not our dog. This is the neighbor's dog. He comes in here for a while.
It looks like it is used for a dog.
Yeah, but
So it's
this
Judah.
is our greenhouse. Everything here
Produces.
a dog.
Let's come back
It's
inside.
not the neighbor's dog.
And,
That dog is the girl that got murdered. That's her pet.
So is it? No, ma'am. Is it the dog of Crystal Love?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, that's our neighbor. Well, kind of. She lives a few roads down. And he brought that in his book bag, and I took it out because I thought it was another gauze. I was about to throw that out before you guys came.
Wait.
That's not mine. I promise you. Hey, oh, you got a knife. Huh? In my understanding, I know she was killed by a knife, but not with a specific knife. If you're trying to send my husband in jail.
Wait, are you sure? Wait, ma'am, do you think your husband's that loyal?
No.
So why do you care? We have been taught with a woman, I think Christine. She works at airports and she apparently tracks down people. Christine.
I knew you were dirty.
This sword. This is the sword I got killed with. I
Hey,
sniffed
so
it.
where'd you meet her? Sunny,
smells like
Chan,
Christine.
Molly,
No, I went to Venezuela.
We don't have enough evidence.
You have nothing else. I think you
Clean up
do.
your own work.
Yes. Sir, did you kill Crystal
Did you
on
kill
Sunday night?
On Sunday night?
Yes.
On Sunday night.
He was up in that river. He has no witnesses, so if you want to take him to jail, go ahead. I can finally get rid. I can get some money for that dragon they stole.
I went fishing and then I went to go to.
No, ma'am, you and your husband will have to pay for her
You
insurance.
don't cook dinner.
Ma'am, if he goes to jail, you will have to pay her insurance, which is about $1,000 million.
All right, send this right here. Get down.
I
Ma'am,
did nothing and she fell to the ground. So you're collecting these. Yes. So you're rich.
but Mark, we still don't understand. Why did the person or the murderer take the gold one, but not the other ones?
Because he has those. They're all in his other lab. He gave them away in some convention. He doesn't care about them.
So why do you think I didn't get them?
Because you didn't get them because you didn't
golden
like
one.
them. You sold them in that convention, that rich convention. That guy bought it. You didn't want to use gorillas. You already did your vice.
Actually, I don't even have any gorillas.
Oh, they're not gorillas?
No. They're mutated lizards from atomic bomb.
You see how nerdy he is? I told you he's nerdy. Nerdy. Hey, you see him? He's vicious.
What's
he's a
this?
vicious.
That? It is one of my
Oh,
toys.
that's the dog's thing.
Yes.
He brought it with him. You were in her house. How dare you, stealer, some traitor. I'm going to my mom's house.
That?
Was that old lady your mom? Ma'am.
Yes? I think if you want more information, you might want to talk to the victim's family. I went to law school for a little.
You mean
Right off the
73 minutes?
still counts.
Mark.
Is this your toe?
Like Prado.
You might get. Let me see. Wait. Interesting. So.
Wait, sir, didn't you say that you had bought in the jacket 2 weeks ago, but you didn't know that we had found that jacket in the crime scene. So if you had bought it 2 weeks ago, that means it's yours. Why would that be at the victim's house?
Trying to frame somebody.
Mom, tell us the story. Go.
So I know why. He wants to make a lot of money. So he got the dog shoe toy. He got this little ball. Got the tail. And got the golden monster. You mean King Ghidorah? He didn't want to waste a lot of money on King Ghidorah. He stole King Ghidorah so he can make this a journey. Stole King Ghidorah so he can sell it. He didn't count one